Oh, hello New Zealand, would you stop scrolling and turn up your sound? I have a really important message for you. This festive season you're going to be able to help do something absolutely wonderful because you're all keen bakers and we know that and we celebrate that. And so what we want to do is we're joining up with the Salvation Army to do a very exciting initiative. Now I want you to go and grab your Edmonds product, go and grab your Chelsea product and start baking, and then all you've got to do is take a photo of your baking and post it on social media. You have to tag in your Edmonds and you've got to tag in your Chelsea sugar, and you need to use the hashtag baking a difference. For every post shared, Edmonds and Chelsea are going to donate $10 to the Salvation Army, and we hope to raise $20,000. So it's really simple. Get baking, get your products, get sorted, and take a photo and then upload to social media. I'm just going to do it right now.